in this part we'll learn how we can keep our ball within the frame. So for doing this, we'll have to define a function, which function will say us that the ball is in the frame or out of the frame. That's mean when we want to know that the ball's position, whether it is near to the end of the frame or within the frame. Let's consider this image. Here you can see that in width, that's mean we okay, let's say for the x-axis, okay, that's mean the x boundary. So we want the position of the ball, that's mean x position is x equal to center 0, that's mean this position is center. If we reverse this position is center, then there will be x and y coordinates, okay, and we want this coordinate, this center 0, which should be between this position, and that is radius plus self border. That's mean this radius and self border, that's mean this portion. So the center of the ball should be outside of this, right? If the center is somewhere else here, then the ball, some portion of the ball will be out of the frame, and that is not we wanted. So we want a position when the ball, if we know that ball is in here, then we can reverse the direction of the ball, and the ball center should be this place from this place. That means self width, that means 600 minus self border, that's this portion, minus radius, that means this portion. So we want the ball to be between this position, the ball center to be within this position, okay. For the y-axis, same to same, radius plus self border, that means this portion, and self height, that means 400 minus self border, that means this portion, and radius, that means this portion, okay. For x-axis and y-axis, we want our ball center within this, right? So by using in width, it will return a true or false. It will also return true or false, right? If you see that if you use these two as AND, that means if you see that it's giving you yes and this giving you yes, then you can let the ball move in that previous direction. If any of them give you the false, that means the position of the ball center is going outside of this a little bit here, and when it is here in here, it will say okay, that's false. That means this is no longer holding the previous terms, okay. Then we can change the velocity to the minus direction, right? Let's define a function in here named inside. This function will give us a true or false, that means boolean character, that means boolean value, right? Now in the ball class, we'll change the update like this: if not self domain inside self position self radius, okay. If not, okay, keep it here, self domain inside, that means this function inside, and center, for center it is taking self radius, so extremely sorry, self position, and this radius for self radius, okay. So uh, if the ball is within the frame, then it will return a true, and If not true, that's mean when that is false, that's mean when the ball is out of the frame, then we'll execute something here, something blah 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 here to change the direction of the ball. We'll see it in detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. I am extremely sorry if you are unable to understand my tutoring because I am really not good at English spoken. Thank you very